more health care damage control. Health and Human Services Secretary Kathleen Sebelius insists the troublesome health care website will be fixed.
Well, I think there certainly are some challenges. It could be smoother, it could be easier to access, and that's really what we're working on.
Tonight, we're learning that more than 300,000 insurance policies in Florida are about to disappear. Does that mean there are more clouds on the horizon? Letters sent by the health insurance company Florida Blue are leaving some people saying, ouch.
Well, 300,000 people in Florida are being notified by the company that their current coverage is being canceled because of the Affordable Care Act. Channel 4's Adrienne Moore spoke with a local health expert, and she joins us now with information that can make this latest insurance bill go down a little smoother. Adrienne?
Yeah, just a little bit, Rob and Joy. Dr. Carolyn McClanahan says this was bound to happen because so many of the current Florida Blue policies fall short of what the Affordable Care Act requires starting on January 1st. Her advice this evening, if you've received one of these letters, don't sweat it, but do start making some phone calls.
Number one is don't panic, then do your research.
300,000 Florida Blue members feel like they're being dealt a double dose of confusion after letters go out that their current health care coverage is being canceled.
Those policies no longer qualify as a policy that would work under the Affordable Care Act. That's why they had to drop them.
The Affordable Care Act requires policies sold in the individual market to cover 10 essential benefits like maternity care, mental health treatment, and prescription drugs.
A lot of these policies were cheap, but they weren't great. They didn't have full coverage. And that's one of the things that was decided in the law is that policies had to meet minimal essential benefits.
If you received a letter, you may be asking yourself, what do I do now? Dr. McClanahan suggests the first thing you should do is call your insurance agent. They can go over all of your options and see if it's better to re-enroll in the company's new plan or sign up for a new one online. And while members believe the cancellations translate into higher premiums, that won't be the case for everyone.
People who are under 400% poverty level, so that's, a single person making under about $44,000, that they actually will qualify for premium tax credits to help pay for their new policy.
In a statement, a Florida Blue spokesperson told us, quote, with these new enhanced plans, we expect to grow our membership by 25% to 375,000 members in the first year under the ACA. Florida Blue expects most, if not all, members will choose a new Florida Blue plan that will provide them with all of these additional benefits.
If other companies have sold types of policies like this, yes, they'll have to drop those policies and replace them with policies that have minimal essential benefits.
And if you need to enroll on the healthcare.gov website, keep in mind you have until December 15th to do so if you want to have it kick in starting on January 1st. We know many of you out there continue to have many questions all along the way. So when we're off the air, you can always go to our website, news4jax.com. All you have to do is look under the healthcare reform section under the health tab for the answers you need. Rob.
Well, Adrienne, has Florida Blue said anything about how Medicare Advantage plans are being affected by this?
Well, at this point, Rob, we understand that no Medicare Advantage plans are being changed or impacted by this. And we were asking earlier with Florida Blue if they had any specific hard numbers they could give us for members being impacted here in Jacksonville. Unfortunately, they don't have those available for us this evening. Rob.
All right. Thank you, Adrienne.